everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to make neon text effects in Canva. Start by going to the Text tab on the left side and add some text to your design. Next, click on the Effect option in the text toolbar. Choose the neon style effect to give your text that neon glow. Adjust the neon color of the text to your liking. You can play around with different neon hues to find the perfect look for your design. Finally, if you prefer, you can select an outline font style to enhance the neon effect even further. And there you have it. I hope this video was helpful for you in creating a neon text effect in Canva. Thank you for watching.